Unboxing and introduction of Honeywell Xenon 950 scanner. Through this box, you will able to see Type A USB to RJ50 cable. This is USB. This is RJ50. And after that, you will able to see Honeywell Xenon 1950 scanner. At the bottom of the scanner, you can insert RJ50 cable, and this is USB to connect to your computer. And Honeywell Xenon scanner is superior scanning performance. This scanner improved from previous model scanning rate, and also this scanner drop test up to 1.8 meter. And also this Honeywell Xenon 1950 scanner ideal for data matrix code scanning.